Betelgeuse's imminent supernova, a celestial event centuries in the making. When Betelgeuse eventually explodes in a spectacular supernova, it will mark the first such event visible to the naked eye in modern times since Johannes Kepler documented one in 1604. Despite being more than 600 light-years from Earth, the red supergiant's dramatic end will be a breathtaking sight, and an extraordinary scientific opportunity. Betelgeuse, one of the brightest and most well-known stars in the constellation Orion, has long intrigued astronomers. Its recent dimming episode sparked speculation about its nearing collapse, though experts believe the star could still have thousands, or even millions, of years left. Still, the eventual supernova is inevitable, and when it comes, it will temporarily outshine the moon in the night sky, casting shadows and perhaps even being visible during the day. This rare cosmic event will allow scientists to observe the final moments of a massive star's life in unprecedented detail. Modern telescopes and detection technologies, from radio arrays to neutrino observatories, will gather data that could reshape our understanding of stellar evolution, supernova mechanisms, and even the origins of elements critical to life. Though the explosion poses no threat to Earth, its sheer brightness and intensity will captivate both scientists and skywatchers alike. The night sky will transform into a live demonstration of cosmic death and rebirth, as Betelgeuse's core collapses, triggering a blast that will echo through the cosmos. In a universe filled with distant and ancient light, Betelgeuse's supernova will be a rare chance for humanity to witness, in real time, one of the universe's most dramatic phenomena, a vivid reminder of the ever-changing heavens above us. Beyond the spectacle, Betelgeuse's explosion will also offer critical insights into the broader life cycle of stars. Supernovae play a key role in enriching the universe with heavy elements, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, which are forged in the intense heat of a dying star and dispersed across galaxies in the aftermath. These very elements are the building blocks of planets, atmospheres, and even human life. For astronomers, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to validate long-held theories. Instruments across the globe and in orbit will be calibrated to capture every wavelength of light and particle emitted. Space-based observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope and terrestrial arrays such as the Very Large Telescope will collaborate in a global scientific effort unlike any before. Moreover, Betelgeuse's supernova may even help scientists unlock the mysteries of gravitational waves and neutrino behavior. As the star collapses, it is expected to release an enormous number of neutrinos and potentially produce ripples in the fabric of spacetime itself. Detecting and analyzing these signals could deepen our understanding of the fundamental forces that govern the cosmos. Culturally, the event is bound to leave a lasting mark as well. Throughout history, celestial phenomena have fascinated, frightened, and inspired humanity. When Betelgeuse finally bursts into brilliance, it will no doubt spark wonder in millions, a reminder of how small we are in the vastness of space, yet how connected we are to it. For now, Betelgeuse continues its slow, luminous pulse in the shoulder of Orion, a cosmic giant awaiting its final act. When the moment comes, the universe will put on a show no one alive has ever seen, a brilliant farewell centuries in the making. Phenomena associated with such a violent event, Betelgeuse's inevitable destruction, is not just a scientific curiosity, but also a reminder of the vast and unpredictable nature of the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse play a vital role in the life cycle of galaxies, enriching the universe with elements essential for the formation of new stars, planets, and possibly life itself. The death of such a star is not an end but a transformation, as it releases heavy elements that will seed new celestial systems. Meanwhile, researchers continue to observe Betelgeuse, piecing together the puzzle of its future. With each new discovery, the mystery surrounding it deepens, expanding our understanding of the universe. Perhaps in the years to come, we will witness one of the most remarkable events in the cosmos, the transformation of Betelgeuse from a massive red supergiant into a stunning supernova. Until then, the sky will remain a canvas of wonder, with Betelgeuse shining brightly as a reminder of the transient nature of life in the universe. Betelgeuse's transition into a supernova is an event that will capture the attention of astronomers and skywatchers alike. Although we are uncertain when exactly this transformation will occur, the star's current instability has sparked waves of speculation about its future. Advanced instruments and technologies at our disposal, such as the James Webb and Hubble Space Telescopes, have provided astronomers with unprecedented insights into the behavior of this remarkable star. As Betelgeuse's brightness fluctuates and its irregular changes continue, researchers are carefully analyzing data in hopes of understanding what triggers these variations. The star's extreme variability could be a precursor to the violent explosion that will ultimately mark the end of its stellar life. Whether Betelgeuse will explode within the next few years or in a significantly longer time frame remains uncertain. However, one thing is clear: the universe is full of cosmic surprises, and Betelgeuse's eventual demise will be a spectacle that brings new opportunities for discovery. Over time, astronomers have observed and studied countless stars, but few have garnered as much attention as Betelgeuse. Its enormous size, variable brightness, and unusual color have made it a subject of intense research. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is already in the final stage of its life cycle. The star's massive size means that it will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel, leading to its ultimate collapse and subsequent explosion into a supernova. This explosive event will release an astounding amount of energy, dramatically altering the surrounding cosmic environment. Despite the many uncertainties surrounding the exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova, astronomers agree on one thing: the star's inevitable end will be one of the most significant cosmic events of our lifetime. The data being collected by today's most advanced telescopes is helping to unravel the mysteries of the star, providing crucial information about the processes that occur during the final stages of a star's life. By studying Betelgeuse's behavior, researchers can gain deeper insights into the broader mechanics of stellar evolution. Furthermore, the explosion of Betelgeuse will likely leave behind a lasting impact on the surrounding space, enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements that will eventually become part of new stars, planets, and possibly even life forms. This cycle of creation and destruction is a fundamental aspect of the life cycle of stars, and Betelgeuse's supernova will be a prime example of this cosmic process. As we continue to observe Betelgeuse and other stars in similar stages of evolution, astronomers are utilizing cutting-edge technology to better understand the forces at play. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled ability to observe distant objects in the universe, is providing a wealth of data that will shape our understanding of stellar dynamics. The images and measurements captured by this telescope are shedding light on the complex mechanisms that drive a star's evolution from its birth to its ultimate demise. Although the death of a star may seem like a destructive event, it is, in fact, a crucial stage in the ongoing cycle of stellar evolution. The elements released during a supernova contribute to the formation of new stars, planets, and potentially even life. In this sense, the death of Betelgeuse, and stars like it, is not an end, but rather a transformation that fuels the birth of new celestial bodies. Ultimately, Betelgeuse's supernova will play a significant role in the ongoing evolution of the universe, contributing to the creation of the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Until the day Betelgeuse finally explodes, astronomers will continue to observe and study its behavior, deciphering the signs that will help them predict its future. The star's unpredictable dimming and brightening cycles, as well as its other strange behaviors, make it a fascinating subject of study. With each new discovery, researchers are learning more about the processes that govern the life cycle of stars, and, by extension, the evolution of the universe itself. The mystery surrounding Betelgeuse's fate serves as a reminder of the vast complexity of the cosmos. The universe is filled with untold wonders, and the study of stars like Betelgeuse allows us to glimpse the incredible processes that shape the fabric of reality. As we continue to explore the cosmos and expand our understanding of the forces that govern it, we are reminded of the fleeting, transient nature of existence. The stars, including Betelgeuse, shine brilliantly in the night sky, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary and ever-changing universe in which we live. As astronomers keep a close watch on Betelgeuse, they are gathering more data that may help predict when this colossal event will occur. The star's irregular dimming patterns and increasing instability suggest that it is undergoing dramatic internal changes. While some theories propose that Betelgeuse could explode within the next few decades, others suggest that it might still take thousands of years before reaching its explosive finale. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, the event will be unlike anything witnessed in modern astronomy. The explosion will send shockwaves through space, expelling vast amounts of stellar material that will enrich the surrounding interstellar medium. The energy released will be so immense that it could briefly outshine an entire galaxy, making Betelgeuse visible in daylight from Earth. Despite the grandeur of this event, the explosion will not pose a threat to life on Earth. Betelgeuse is located more than 600 light-years away, far enough that its radiation and shockwaves will dissipate before reaching our planet. Instead of danger, its supernova will provide scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study the final moments of a massive star's life in real time. Astronomers will closely monitor the explosion using powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, the Hubble Space Telescope, and next-generation observatories yet to be launched. These instruments will capture detailed images and data, allowing researchers to analyze the physics of supernovae, the formation of neutron stars or black holes, and the dispersal of heavy elements across space. One of the most exciting possibilities is whether Betelgeuse's explosion will leave behind a neutron star or collapse into a black. One of the most exciting possibilities is whether Betelgeuse's explosion will leave behind a neutron star or collapse into a black hole. Given its estimated mass, it is more likely to form a neutron star, a dense, rapidly rotating stellar remnant. However, if Betelgeuse is at the higher end of mass estimates, its core could collapse entirely, forming a black hole. If that happens, it would provide a rare opportunity to observe the birth of a black hole relatively close to Earth. As the remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion spread through space, they will contribute to the ongoing cosmic cycle of destruction and creation. The elements forged in the heart of the dying star, carbon, oxygen, silicon, iron, and many others, will eventually mix with interstellar gas and dust, potentially forming new stars and planetary systems in the distant future. The death of Betelgeuse is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of the universe. While stars like our Sun will burn for billions of years, massive stars like Betelgeuse live short but dramatic lives, ending in spectacular explosions that shape the cosmos. For now, Betelgeuse remains a bright and fascinating object in the night sky, an ongoing mystery that scientists are eager to solve. Each new observation brings us closer to understanding its fate, and when the moment finally arrives, the entire world will bear witness to one of the most spectacular events in astronomical history. Until then, the star continues to shine, a beacon of the incredible processes that govern the universe, reminding us of the vast, intricate, and ever-evolving cosmos we call home. The anticipation surrounding Betelgeuse's eventual explosion continues to drive both professional and amateur astronomers to keep their eyes on the sky. It has become a symbol not only of stellar evolution but also of humanity's collective curiosity, a celestial time bomb reminding us that the universe is in constant motion, even if the changes unfold over millions of years. Public interest in Betelgeuse has surged in recent years, especially after its dramatic dimming in late 2019 and early 2020. For a brief period, the star's brightness dropped so significantly that some speculated the supernova might be imminent. While it later returned to its usual luminosity, the event ignited global discussion and inspired further study, revealing that a massive cloud of dust likely caused the temporary dimming, perhaps the result of material expelled from the star itself. This incident served as a powerful reminder of how little we truly know about the final stages of stellar life. Each anomaly, each unexpected fluctuation, becomes a clue, a whisper from the cosmos, hinting at what is to come. Scientists are now more equipped than ever to detect and interpret these signs. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are being employed to sift through the enormous volumes of data collected by telescopes, helping researchers detect subtle patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. More than just a scientific opportunity, Betelgeuse's fate has philosophical implications as well. Its life and impending death mirror the cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth found throughout nature. In witnessing the death of a star, we are reminded of the fragile beauty of existence, of how endings give rise to new beginnings. When the day finally comes and Betelgeuse explodes, the spectacle will not only light up the night sky but also the hearts and minds of people across the globe. It will be a moment where science, wonder, and the human experience intersect, a shared moment in time connecting us all under the same cosmic sky.